everyone. I am Dr. Manas Ranjan Pradhan. I am Associate Professor in School of Information Technology, Skyline University College. Today I am going to discuss the topic application of artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. So nowadays artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning is a buzzword among all business entity as well as in technical field. So artificial intelligence is basically derived from your data engineering. So you are making a machine intelligent or you are making a system intelligent because your data pattern is like that one. You are extracting very good data pattern which helps for us to predict the future of a business or predict the future of any problem. So that's why artificial intelligence, nothing like that. It is a data analytics that we are considering mostly. Then machine learning. Machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence. So we are making a machine intelligent because your machine has fed with those kind of training data. Sometimes as an external user, we are also giving so many data to the machine which generated more kind of data, and those data basically called as test data. So continuously when your machine is fed with so much of data, it generally gives us lot of recommendation to us. The best example you can say is a robot. So machine learning is considered as a subset of artificial intelligence because it is making your machine in terms of some algorithm, some kind of test data, training data more intelligent. So now I am discussing about different kind of machine learning techniques that usually we do. Typically, machine learning is divided into three types. First one is supervised learning, second one is unsupervised learning, third one is reinforcement learning. Unsupervised learning basically use like classification and regression technique. Classification basically used for decision making for your business, like you are using a decision tree or a binary classification. Regression is basically used to analyze a market where one parameter is affecting to the other or you want to predict your business. Similarly, second one is unsupervised learning where you are using the technique of clustering, association and anomaly detection. Clustering is basically used because you want to group set of data, similar data. Like suppose I can give an example, there are COVID condition is going on, there are some patients are there who are positive. So that is a cluster of those positive patients. Similarly, you can group different kind of data to make a very good clustering pattern. Second one inside your unsupervised learning is your association rule, which is basically for your market basket analysis. You want to know like which are the product mostly people are buying so that you can plan your future business accordingly. The third one inside your unsupervised learning is your anomaly detection. We have already a cluster of data and some outside data is coming and you want to find out the matching between those existing data and the outside data. Then your third machine learning technique is your reinforcement learning where you are using agent-based learning and Markov model. These techniques is basically use artificial neural network technique where like suppose you are developing a computer game or you want to go for a high level of such things inside your web page. So or you can go for a speech recognition kind of application, then you basically use reinforcement learning. Now I am going to discuss about deep learning. Deep learning is a part of machine learning. Your machine got data because we have so many data set available with us. Deep learning concept is nothing like an artificial neural network where all your neurons act as a data point. When these data points are connected to each other, it is basically creating lot of data set which helps to our machine to produce so many data set as well as so many kind of recommended information. So data may be unstructured or data may be unlabeled, but all these fed to the machine so that machine can generate more kind of recommendation, more kind of information which make your machine artificially intelligent. Now I will tell you the relation between artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. Look at this picture. In this picture you can see that artificial intelligence at the higher end, your deep learning is at the lower end and machine learning in the middle part. So what happens basically, deep learning generates lot of data point which helps machine learning to generate lot of data set. Then it fed to the artificially intelligent machines to generate lot of recommendation or information. So that deep learning, machine learning make a system or make a software more intelligent. Now as I have been talking about artificial intelligence, deep learning, machine learning, all this, every time I'm talking about data. For application of artificial intelligence, deep learning and machine learning, your data science is very much essential. So if you are considering any business, whether it is your sales, whether it is your medical data, whether it is your bank data, everywhere need data analysis. So for that you should need certain kind of computational technique which based on your statistic or mathematic principle. So you can see also in the picture, big data comes to play because all these data that you are analyzing nowadays for a big business, it comes with your big data. And then your data mining, artificial intelligence, machine learning, all these are part of the whole data science field. Now let us discuss some of the application field. You might have faced some kind of problem while you are traveling to your office in the morning time. There is a busy traffic and you are searching a different or alternative route to reach to your office. Here your artificial intelligence comes to play. You are implemented in the like Google Map and other application that is available nowadays. They basically implement artificial intelligence algorithm to find out your repeated path or repeated route which you are traveling each day. Also, it is taking all those historical data of the routes so that it will predict which route is free from traffic, which route is very easy to reach to your office. Now go to another kind of practical application where we basically manage an incident. Look at this picture. There is an accident is happened. Another way there is a traffic delay. There is a air traffic control system. They are looking at the problem of your aeroplane is getting delay or flight is getting delay. So when accident is happen, all over the roads you have the cameras. So they take the image data. Image data goes to your centralized system of traffic department. And this repeated data like from all routes all over the city generally captured in a traffic management system, and they know that which routes are more accident prone, which routes are free from accident. Not only that one, it also facilitates how to get the nearby ambulance or nearby police station as well as nearby hospital. The other picture which is showing about air traffic control system, due to some kind of delay in one flight, the other flight also get delayed. So this kind of historical data is already with air traffic control system. Taking those data, they can predict if this kind of problem is happening in future, what are the alternative already have taken and what kind of alternative action can be taken immediately. So it helps your machine learning, your artificial intelligence help to the air traffic control system to reduce the flight delay option. The other interesting application area, you can see social media. Every day we are hang out with Facebook, Twitter, and you will find out a lot of friends are following up you, or you are following certain friend, or you are tagging your friend. So this is automatic machine learning systems which give automated tag for you. You can search easily your friend, your family member or anyone, and it can easily tag. This is one thing. Second thing is like there are a lot of celebrities are there. There are a lot of fake videos are also coming up. So artificial intelligence or machine learning helps to find out those deep face technique that is used to find out the real video. This is an initiative taken by the Facebook to find out the real video that is flowing across in your social network. The other application that every day that we might be doing, you are booking a taxi and you are searching for the nearby taxi available. There are many kind of vendors who are transport business and they want to go for a taxi booking system, or you as a user, you are a customer and you are looking for nearby taxi. So here your artificial intelligence or machine learning algorithm is already implemented in that mobile app or in a web app, so that you can easily find out the near available taxi as well as the time it takes to reach to you. Then another, as usual, all of you have been seeing all around is your e-commerce application. This is the most interesting applications that business people rely on. You have a social site and you are going to also e-commerce site like Alibaba.com, or you are going for Amazon.com, you are searching a product, whether you buy or you don't buy. But the next moment, the advertisement is coming to your social portal. So this is the implementation of machine learning algorithm which take numerous data from you, from your email, from your searching pattern, so that it will give you a lot of suggestion or any promotional activity that is happening for that particular product. The other application nowadays is happening your Alexa. Most of you might be aware of Alexa. Alexa is a home-based assistant system. You are telling to Alexa to on and off your light, or you are telling that switching on and off my television. So this is a artificially intelligent or machine learning device which you help in your personal thing. Similarly, like a Google Translate. Nowadays you want to translate, you find something on English and you want to transport it to Arabic or Arabic to English. So that is also artificial intelligence system which takes help of machine learning and deep learning, because it generates those kind of language set from your standard English so that it can easily convert to any kind of language. And now you look at this picture, there is an interesting application of robotic. All of you know artificial intelligence machine means robot. Robot is a system, but robot is not a human to interact like us. So it has to fed with certain kind of data. So those data basically the training data. Simultaneously, when you fed this machine with so many test data, it generates numerous data which help in interacting with the robot, and it gives you recommendation, it will give you some information, lot of thing it can do. Like nowadays the banking application, they are also go with robotic application. You can see in the picture in the Skyline University we have a robot called Pepper, and Pepper is interacting with the person. Even if she is also handshaking with that, she is telling something. So this is the artificial intelligence application which give a humanoid robot. Similarly, suppose in your home you want to use a smarter home robot system, that also very good application of artificial intelligence. Then not only those applications, whatever you discussed, there are numerous applications where artificial intelligence, machine learning and your deep learning comes to field, like your proactive healthcare management. Nowadays you are considering about COVID situation, we are talking about corona. So there are a lot of hospital or pharmaceutical industry, they are actively doing all kind of artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning practice to make a better prediction. Or it go for disease mapping. You want to predict something about a disease, then right kind of drug is not there. So all those data set related to that disease is giving us a input to predict a right kind of drug. Not only that, you have a stock exchange, you have a financial industry, where also I am deciding whether I will go for this kind of investment or not. So there also your data analysis, your machine learning, artificial intelligence and deep learning is also helping us to take a better decision. Marketing is another aspect. Most of the marketing advertising industry, they are all nowadays using this data analytics aspect, where artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning data analysis techniques has been used. Now let us see what are the technical platform which supports your practice for artificial intelligence, machine learning and your deep learning. Basically machine learning is the application which leads to every kind of application of AI and relating to your deep learning. Like Azure machine learning from Microsoft, Google Cloud machine learning is in your Amazon machine learning platform, your Apple Scores machine learning platform. These are the major platform which will give a lot of machine learning practice which lead you to artificial intelligence application based system. So now looking at our younger generation who are looking for jobs in AI, machine learning and deep learning, what are the skill set they basically need and what are the different kind of jobs available in the industry. Let me highlight that one. So as I have been talking about data, your statistical things is very much needed. You should have a very good statistical background. Second thing, that as you are implementing a lot of programming, you should have a very good logical thinking power. The way you do your algorithm, you develop the algorithm, your machine will be more perfect. Then I'll go to what kind of jobs basically available nowadays in the market. You may be artificial intelligence engineer, you may be a machine learning engineer, you can be a data scientist, you can be a consultant, you can be a AI solution manager, or you can be a machine learning expert. There are numerous kind of job is available in the market, not only to IT industry, maybe to financial industry, banking industry, retail industry, your medical industry, pharmaceutical industry, lot of jobs are available if you have the skill set of AI, machine learning and deep learning. To know more about our university, please go to www.skylineuniversity.ac.in. Thank you very much.